It's your stock market wrap-up for Wednesday, June 1st. Welcome to June. Welcome to the same old, back to the downside for U.S. markets. All three of them back in negative territory, coming off a bit of a choppy end to May. All three U.S. markets to the downside today, 0.72 for the S&P 500. The Dow tried to get positive at one point. We end the day down 0.12, 0.66 for the NASDAQ. A lot of that happened late in the day as, COO for Facebook, or Meta Platforms, Sheryl Sandberg, announces her departure from Meta, her resigning, I guess, from Meta. So Facebook gets slammed. I'll show you that in a second. TSX here in Toronto, basically flat on the day. Pretty ugly day here for Bitcoin and Ethereum. 5% to the downside, 6%, both sharply lower. There it is. This was the other announcement. In fact, Meta going to start trading under Meta on June 9th. The big news, though, happening late in the day here. COO Sheryl Sandberg, as I said, leaving the company after 14 years. I'll show you the chart here in a second. Ugly for Facebook on that news, although it did bounce heading into the close here. Salesforce was another one we were talking about. If you joined us in the pre-market, join us, won't you? Every single pre-market at 8:30, and we'll get you set for the open. Another name we were talking about, the Chinese EV makers were back on watch. More positive delivery numbers for May out for both NIO and XPEV as well. XPeng moving both to the upside initially before fading off late in the day. Tesla announced this as well. They're delaying some deliveries in the U.S. of long-range models, again, specifically in the U.S. due to supply chain issues for Tesla. It was not really doing much throughout the day. All right, here we go. How did they fare? NASDAQ is the shaded line in purple, so it was fade everything kind of day. This is Facebook. Gets slammed late in the day versus the overall market. We're negative overall when all is said and done. The others, Salesforce in green, AMC in blue, give back the gains we saw right out of the gate at the open. Grab the watch list, guys. We send it out every single morning before we come on at 8:30 Eastern. Use the QR code, bottom end of the screen. You can check us out in the pre-market. Tomorrow, we'll get you set for the open as we do every day. Another red start to another month. Hey, it's June 1st on TraderTV.Live.